Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel Learn Maths with Sabah. Today I am going to discuss exercise 1.1 question 4. Find all solution to the following equations. Part 1 is t square minus 8t plus 7 equal to 0. Here not any method is mentioned. We can solve by all three methods: factorization method, completing square method, and quadratic formula. We solve by factorization method. In factorization method, we break down the mid-term. We write first term and last term as it is. Mid-term is 8t. We multiply the first and last term. 7 multiplied by t square, which becomes 7t square plus 7t square. We break down the number 8t as when we multiply the two number it becomes 70, and when we add and subtract it becomes 80. 7 ones are 7, 7 plus 1 8. 70 and t. We use minus sign. Minus minus plus 70 minus t, 7 minus 70 minus t, minus minus plus 70 and t become 80. And when we multiply 70 with t it becomes 70 square. We take common from 2 number. Here t is common. T minus 7 minus no any number common, so we take 1 is common. T minus plus minus 7 equal to 0. We write t minus 7 one time and t minus 1 equal to 0. We can write as t minus 7 equal to 0 and t minus 1 equal to 0. This implies that t equal to 7 and t equal to 1. So, solution set is equal to 1 and 7. We can also write 7 and 1. Now we solve part 2. 72 plus 6x equal to x square. First we must arrange in standard form of quadratic equation. We shift these number into right side. 0 equal to x square minus 6x minus 72. We can also write as x square minus 6x minus 72 equal to 0. This equation is in standard form of quadratic equation. Now we solve by factorization method. By factorization method, in factorization method, we break the mid-term and we write first and last term as it is. X square minus 72 equal to 0. When we multiply first term with last term, it becomes 72x square. We break down the mid-term as it is. When we add and subtract, it becomes 6, and when we multiply, it becomes 72. 12 6 are 72, 6 2s are 12, 2 1, 6 1s are 6 and 7. When we multiply 12 with 6, it becomes 72, and when we subtract 12 minus 6, it becomes 6. So we write 6x as minus 12x and minus 6 plus 6x. Minus plus minus 12 minus 6 6, sign must be put minus because greater number have minus sign, and 12 6 are 72. We take common from two terms. Here x is common, x minus 12 plus 6 6 common, x plus minus minus 6 12s are 72. X minus 12 into x plus 6 equal to 0. We can write as x minus 12 equal to 0 and x plus 6 equal to 0. This implies that x equal to 12 and x equal to minus 6. So solution set is equal to minus 6 and 12. We can also write 12 and minus 6. Now we solve part 3 r square plus 4r plus 1. We cannot use here factorization method. We cannot break down the midterm and we cannot solve by completing square method. So we solve this quadratic equation by quadratic formula. We compare with standard form of equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Here a equal to 1, b equal to 4 and c equal to 1. Now the quadratic formula is x is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now putting the values, x is equal to minus the values of b is 4 plus minus square root of 4 square minus 4 into values of a is 1 into value of c is 1 divided by 2 into 1. This implies that x is equal to minus 4 plus minus square root of 4 fours are 16 minus 4 ones are 4 divided by 2. Minus 4 plus minus square root of 16 minus 4, 12 divided by 2. X is equal to minus 4 plus minus square root of 12 is equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. 2 is in the form of pair, so we taken out 2 from square root. Minus 4 plus minus 2 into square root of 3 divided by 2. X is equal to minus, we take 2 common. 2 is common here. Minus 2 plus minus square root of 3 divided by 2. 2 cancel with 2. X is equal to minus 2 plus minus square root of 3. This implies that x is equal to minus 2 plus square root of 3 and x is equal to minus 2 minus square root of 3. So solution set is equal to minus 2 plus square root of 3 and minus 2 minus square root of 3. Now we solve part 4 x into x plus 10 equal to 10 into minus 10 minus x. First we simplify x multiplied by x equal to x square, x plus 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 10x equal to plus minus minus 10 plus minus minus 10x. X square plus 10x. When 10 come to the left side, it minus 10 come to the left side, it become plus 10 plus 10x equal to 0. X square 10x plus 10x equal to 20x plus 10 equal to 0. Sorry, 10 tens are 100. Here 100. So this equation is in standard form of quadratic equation. We can solve by any three method: factorization method, completing square method and quadratic formula. Now we solve by factorization method. We write first term as it is and last term as it is. We break down the midterm 20x. When we multiply 100 with x, it becomes 100x square. Now we break the 20 into two numbers that when we multiply it become 100 and when we add it become 20. 10x plus 10x. 10 plus 10 20, 10 tens are 100 x square. Now we take common from two terms. X is common, x plus 10. Here 1 is common, 10 is common, x plus 10 tens are 100. We can write as x plus 10 into x plus 10 equal to 0. X plus 10 equal to 0. X plus 10 into x plus 10. It become x plus 10 whole square equal to 0. Now, we take square root on both sides. Square cancel with square root. So, x plus 10 equal to square root of 0 is 0. This implies that x is equal to minus 10. So, solution set is equal to minus 10. So, all part of this question 4 of exercise 1.1 is complete. Thank you for watching my videos.